Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to make a working teleporter in Roblox Studio. Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to make a working teleporter in Roblox Studio. First, let's insert the two parts that you want them to teleport to. I'm going to make mine like a kind of a square shape. So let's do that. And let's do R1, 2. Okay, I'm gonna change the texture. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. I just want to. So let's change the texture. Okay, now let's name our parts to the part that you want. I'm gonna name mine part 1, stands for P1, and the other one's gonna be P2. Now I want to insert a script to the P1, part 1, so then it'll teleport the player into P2. So first let's do script.Parent.Touched connect function. And then put in the player there so it finds the player that the touched. And if you watch my piggy trap video, you might have seen when I did print, which tells something in the output, it says the body part of the player that it touched. So imagine if it was like, this was a rig, for example. Here's their dummy. So imagine that the left foot touched the here, right? We want to find the humanoid root part. So first, let's go to, so we're going to do player, which is the player body part that it touched, .parent, and it's going to find the humanoid root part like we did in the last piggy trap video. So we're going to do function player and then player.Parent.HumanoidRootPart. But now, how we're going to do it? I tried before of changing the position to the position of R1, but that didn't work. So we're going to do .CFrame. .CFrame, that with an N, with an M. .CFrame is the position of basically on the workspace, I guess. So the humanoid root part.CFrame, it will be the part.CFrame. So I'm going to shorten it, so I'm going to do local part equals game.workspace.p2. So now we're going to do part.CFrame because the part refers to game.workspace.part2. So basically this is game.workspace.p2.CFrame. But this is just going to shorten it so we don't have to type the full thing. Here's another thing. After you've done your script, anchor your parts so it will stay in one spot, which is important. Another thing is can collide off. The reason you want to have can collide off is because it finds the humanoid root part. So humanoid root part, this is the humanoid root part right here. Well, this whole thing. So if it's going to be in there, it's going to be inside the ground like this. So if it can collide off, see, the humanoid root part will be actually inside of it. So if we do that, if we turn can collide off, then it'll go back up like this. Now, time to test play. This might take a while. There we go. Okay, now we're inside the game. Now I want to go on top of the thing. I don't know which part is it. Okay, this is P1. Okay, so now when I go on it, it teleports me to P2. And that is how to make a working teleporter in Roblox Studio.